Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Baking and Buttercream, and today we're bringing the outside inside with some easy s'more bars. So let's take a break and bake. The ingredients you need are 2 heaping cups of mini marshmallows, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1.5 cups of chocolate chips, and a 1/2 cup of melted butter. Before we get started on making these delicious s'more bars, I just want to tell you that I'm so sorry I haven't really posted that many videos at all this year. I've been really busy, but so that's why I haven't posted any videos. But this month, I'll get back to posting videos more often. So yeah, so sorry about that, but we'll get posting more often. And then on this Saturday, I'll be celebrating with my buddy Brian that we reached 500 subscribers this week, and I'm so excited about it. This video I filmed was originally for 375 subscribers, but just so much time has passed since then, and I haven't been able to post it because of how busy, so we'll just be using that video in celebration. But don't worry, there will be another celebration video in the future. So let's go ahead and start making these delicious s'more bars. The first step that you're gonna do, you're just gonna go ahead and grease a 9 by 13 inch pan. After that's all greased, go ahead and take 1.5 cups of your graham cracker crumbs and add in your butter, then mix that all together. So then just press in your new graham cracker crust into the bottom of your greased pan. After that, go ahead and pour your sweetened condensed milk all over the graham cracker butter mixture in the pan and spread it out to make sure that it's all even. Now sprinkle your marshmallows on top of the sweetened condensed milk, and I have a little secret for you. We didn't have many marshmallows, so I just took regular sized marshmallows, cut them in half, and you can do the same, so you don't have to get many if you already have regular sized, and just cut them in half, that way they melt a little easier. So after those are all sprinkled in the pan, go ahead and sprinkle 1 cup of your chocolate chips, and go ahead and sprinkle the rest of your graham cracker crumbs on top of that, and put that in your oven that's at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After that, you're going to go ahead and take that out and sprinkle more marshmallows on top of that, because this is going to be a marshmallow palooza. And put that back into the oven for about 10 minutes or until it's golden brown. So you want to be careful that your marshmallows do not burn, because no one wants a burnt marshmallow. So after the 10 minutes, go ahead and take out your delicious s'more bars and sprinkle your chocolate chips on top. You can also use about a 1/2 cup of chocolate bars cut up. That'll give it another delicious flavor. I'm just using chocolate chips because it's just a common, simple ingredient. So yeah, sprinkle the rest of that on top of your s'more bars and just let those cool completely. This could take like a few hours. I put mine in the refrigerator for about 1.5 hours to completely set up, because you want them to be pretty firm before you serve them. That's how you make these delicious marshmallow bars. Please click one of the 2 videos right here. The top one YouTube recommends. I recommend this video. It was so fun. I made a pecan cupcake. Click the baking and buttercream icon over here to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, because I can't believe we're already at 500 subscribers, but let's just see how soon we can get to 1,000. Alright guys, have a good day.